Alright, so with this video, this is for 6th grade surrealism, and this is going to be our journal prompt for this week. This is the example that I have come up with for this morning, and it'll give you a head start, or hopefully it'll give you an idea of what you need to be aiming for. First of all, on Friday, most of you chose a magazine picture that had something in it. It was one object, two objects, that you're going to use as your starting point. I found a watch. I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but I cut it out and laid it on the paper and decided I was going to do a landscape. So my particular surrealism is I'm aiming for placement in an unusual way. And so I have it in my picture. And as you can see, it's got some sort of like a puddle or a lake or a pond here. And that's my goal anyway. And then I decided to have some ants crawling on it just to add to the outdoor idea. If I were to find another watch, I might have another one coming out of a pond like this, just to give this idea of multiple watches coming out of the ground or out of a lake, because that's surreal. It could not normally happen. I decided, since this was a landscape, that I would put some hills in the background back here. And then I thought, you know what, why not go with this idea of clocks and time? I haven't yet figured out what to do with the sky, but I thought, well, maybe I'll have these different types of clocks growing out of the ground on the hill. And so this is supposed to be like an alarm clock, the one you might have by your bedside. This would be more of the older alarm clocks that you sometimes see that would just stand on their own and don't have to be plugged in. So this is just a starting point for my image. Like I said, I still need to come up with some things for the sky and maybe even a little bit in the foreground. Maybe I need more ants crawling around here. For today, I would like you to get your magazine image cut out, glued on, and then start drawing in your ideas of what you are going to be doing. And it may take you 5 or 10 minutes to come up with some different ideas. And then I expect, by the end of class, you should have your images drawn on, or at least pretty well started. If you happen to get quite a ways and you feel like you're ready to develop it to the next point, that could be where you start coloring. And we are going to be using colored pencil. Now, the other thing I want to make sure you understand is this is going to be done in your sketchbook. It is a drawing prompt. Good luck and have fun.